Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Today it is our last topic, rather the last lesson number 6th, chapter number 6th of the biology 10th. That is our environment. And today we will discuss about need to manage natural resources. Why do we need to manage our resources? All the things, as anything in the environment which can be used, is called a natural resource. Some of our important natural resources are forests and wildlife, water, coal, and petroleum. A system of controlling the use of natural resources in such a way as to avoid their wastage and to use them in the most effective way is called the management of natural resource. Now the question is, why do we need to manage our resources? We need to manage our natural resources because the resources of the earth are limited because of the rapid increase in the human population. The demand for resources is increasing day by day. The proper management can ensure that natural resources are used judiciously so that they fulfill the needs of present generation and also lasts for generations to come. Also, we need to manage natural resources because the proper management of natural resources takes into consideration long-term perspective and prevents life exploitation to the hit for short-term gains. We also need to manage natural resources. Due to the proper management can ensure equitable distribution of natural resources so that all the people can benefit from the development of these resources. The proper management will take into consideration the damage caused to the environment during the extraction or use of natural resources and find way and means to minimize this damage. For example, if some forest trees have to be cut for various purposes, then the damage to the environment can be minimized by planting new saplings in place of cut down trees. Thank you. See you next class. Take care.